I'm happy to see you again to share this video reflection for Sunday, July the 17th, 2022. We are in the sixth Sunday after Pentecost, and we continue our prayer for those who are sick, in need, or mourning, as well those who are celebrating birthdays or anniversaries. The Gospel of today is taken from St. Luke chapter 10, verses 38 to 42. And this narrative is about two sisters, Martha and Mary of Bethany. Here we will work in three words. The first one is service, and the second is education, and the third is choice. Always is good to have an introduction. This narrative happened in Bethany, which is 31 kilometers away from Jerusalem. And this is a name that in Hebrew means house of figs. And this town have 22,000 people. This is only to talk about the location. Let us go with our first word, service, represented by Martha. And Martha is a Hebrew name which means lady. She was the older sister of Mary and Lazarus. All of them young people, all of them very close friends of Jesus and from the same generation. That means between 30 to 33 years old. Martha also represents the service, housekeeper responsible of the logistic, who provide warranty to run a house. Martha also represents a pragmatic person, very important at all levels, family, community, project, dreams, etc. We are in many ways Martha. They can be from any gender, male or female, but at the end represent those who are with the feet on the earth. The second word today is education and is represented by Mary. Mary is also a Hebrew name which means beloved. The second sister of Martha and Lazarus. Mary represents the mystical person whose option was to listen Jesus as her master, but leaving behind her domestic duties. Sound familiar, this kind of people? Mary is focused on the intellect and on her soul. She looks selfish or even lazy, but what do you think about that? The third word is choice. Here we can see two sisters, each of them with different personalities, criteria, and way how to make choices. Both represent all of us. Everyone is invited to see what percent of Martha or what percent of Mary we have in our lives. They leave us with a challenge, especially to the church in our time. Here is the invitation, but the answer will be according to our gift, to our skill, training, etc. Jesus do not want to be in the middle of this conflict between sisters. There was a tension because it was not fair to leave Martha alone. To choose education is to get a powerful teaching and gave us many tools to face life forever. To choose education is important in this context. So, as a conclusion, I know everyone wants to look mystic more than pragmatic. But the truth is, we want a balance to obtain harmony. The point is, both choices with balance are needed. How to keep this balance? So let us think about that as well. And remember, we are Marthas and Marys. The percent can change from one person to another, and we must accept this personal configuration, the diversity as part of the body of the church. Amen. Please join us in our YouTube channel. Click the bell for notification, and if you give us a like, we will be happy as well. See you next Sunday and have a blessed week. Bye bye.